Hello and welcome to the first episode of Will It Forge. And by forge, I do not mean this kind of forge. I mean the Glowforge laser. And I will admit that I was inspired by Blendtec's Will It Blend. And by inspired by, I mean I really like the idea and happy to rip it off. For any wondering, I will start out with the Glowforge will not blend, the Blendtec will not forge. This channel is about all things Glowforge and materials I will put in my Glowforge, although it will also include some art pieces and may even include guests and guest art. Right now, I do hope to post 1 to 2 videos a month. We'll see how that goes. For this video, I went to my local Habitat for Humanity restore, which is a great place to pick up certain kinds of materials for your laser, and I found some tiles. In this case, this beautiful stone tile. And I was asking myself, will it forge? As for what we're going to put on the stone, I found this beautiful little hedgehog sketch by Fiona the Wolf over at DeviantArt. She did release this to be used as an icon. I have a different kind of desktop icon in mind. We'll see how that goes. Now, one very important thing with the laser is the filtration or venting. In this case, I vent my Glowforge out through the screen and off my deck just like this. And with every material that you're going to put in the laser, the first question is it laser safe? Stone definitely is. The second question is, how thick is it? Because we need that focal point. Once I have that measurement of the tile for the focal point, it gets to go in the laser and be ready for use. So we have our design and our material and everything seems to be set. Before we send that along to the laser, let's take this moment with our backup laser safety officer. And now we start the magic. The little blinky button gets us going, and you hear the laser start to wind up. I must apologize to all of you at this point. I thought I had some beautiful video of the laser in process on this tile. Turns out I have just this little clip of the laser tube flashing at full power and one snapshot mid-process. So, as suggested by the mid-process picture, this stone tile will forge. And while it is filled completely as a desktop icon, even when connected to the computer, I have found that dyeing it with cocoa powder leaves a very attractive coaster. Well, that wraps it up for this first episode of Will It Forge. Hopefully, we'll be back in a couple of weeks with another video and continue to improve along the way. Thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoyed.